In this video, I'll show you how to fix the email not working on iPhone. So if you're struggling with the email on your iPhone, then here's the real guide of how you can actually fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the email problem on your iPhone, before you do anything, make sure to check out your internet connection. Swipe down from the very top and make sure you have a stable internet connection, whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data, or even you can enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds. And after that, turn it back off. This will slightly restart the network system and see if this will fix your problem or not. If you still have the problem, then simply go and open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down to the very bottom here and then tap on apps. And inside the apps, you just need to find out the mail applications. So here's the mail application. You just need to tap on mail, and the very first thing that you have to do, you'll get to see I have mail account, 4 mail accounts. So I'm going to tap on this and you just need to look at your individual mail account. So first thing first, I'm going to tap on iCloud and you'll get to see it's a turn off. So if you're using iCloud mail, you just need to make sure you have enabled this. And also you just need to look at some of the others mails. So you'll get to see the Outlook. So if I tap on this one, you'll get to see the mail is toggle off. So you just need to enable this as well and then get back from here. And here you have a Gmail account. So I'm going to tap on this one as well. And also I just need to enable the mail application. Otherwise, if you haven't enabled this feature, the mail feature, you won't get any mails inside the mail application. So you just need to keep in mind. So you just need to check out all the emails that you have added on your iPhone, and you just need to make sure that you have enabled this feature. But after doing this process, if you still have the problem, then all you can do is just go ahead and select the individual email that you are not getting the email from, and then you can delete the account. Don't worry, this will not delete your email account. This will only delete from your iPhone, and you can re-add the email account and enable the mail application, and most likely you will start getting the mail on your iPhone. And also you just need to get back from here, check out another settings. Here you'll get to see the option fetch new data. You just need to tap on this, make sure the push is enabled from here, and scroll down, and for the fetch, the automatic should be selected. And once you're done with all the settings, you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and then force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, just release the button. This will force restart your iPhone, and once you get back, if you have any software glitch, will be fixed, and hopefully you will start getting your emails right here. And this is the way of how you can actually fix the problem. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.